Once upon a time, in the cozy village of Starry Hollow, lived a curious girl named Ariella. She had big brown eyes, a notebook full of ideas, and a dream that one day, she'd discover a world where anything was possible. Ariella's favorite spot was the old willow tree by the river. One golden afternoon, as she sketched a castle in her notebook, a tiny silver dragonfly landed on the page. Its wings shimmered like a rainbow. "Follow me," it whispered. Before Ariella could ask how a dragonfly was talking, it zipped toward the willow tree. She ran after it, heart pounding. The tree's roots began to glow, and in a swirl of light, Ariella was whisked away. She landed in the dreamer's realm, a magical land where clouds floated like cotton candy, rivers sang soft lullabies, and animals wore tiny crowns. Waiting for her was a friendly fox in a green scarf. "I'm Finley," he said with a bow. "Here, dreams shape reality. But the dreamer's star, the light that keeps dreams alive, is fading. Only someone with a big imagination can save it." Ariella's eyes widened. "What do I have to do?" Finley led her to 3 shimmering doors, the door of courage, the door of kindness, the door of belief. To restore the star, Finley explained, you must pass through each door and complete the challenge inside. First door, courage. Ariella stepped into a valley of swirling winds. In the distance, a little bird was trapped on a high branch. Ariella's knees trembled, she was afraid of heights, but she climbed the tree anyway, talking softly to the bird until she freed it. The winds calmed, and the first piece of the star appeared in her hands. Second door, kindness. Beyond the door, Ariella found a giant turtle stuck in a tangle of vines. She gently untangled the vines, speaking words of encouragement. The turtle smiled, gifting her the second glowing piece of the star. Third door, belief. The final challenge was the hardest. The path was invisible. Ariella's heart raced, how could she cross? "Close your eyes," whispered Finley's voice from far away, "and believe in yourself." Step by step, she walked forward, trusting her own courage until she reached the end. The last star piece floated into her hands. When Ariella placed the pieces together, the dreamer's star shone so brightly, the entire realm sparkled. Flowers bloomed, rivers glittered, and the sky painted itself in colors she'd never seen before. "You've done it," Finley said proudly. "You've proved that courage, kindness, and belief can change the world." A swirl of light carried Ariella back to the willow tree. Her notebook was still open, but now, inside it was a glowing star. From that day on, whenever Ariella faced something scary or new, she'd remember her magical adventure. And she'd whisper to herself, "I am brave. I am kind. I believe in me." Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!